so give me more room.
Hello and welcome guys. From today onwards we are going to start one series for a Python basics and Python advanced learning. In this series we are going to learn the whole Python programming, including the basics things and the advanced things. In this video we are going to learn how to start programming in Python. I'm assuming that you have already installed the Python in your system. If no, go to the below link in a description and download the Python package from the Python official website and install it in your system. When your installation is completed, go to the start menu, search for IDLE. This is Python GUI. If you are using 2.7, it will show the Python GUI in the braces. If you have installed 3.6 series, then it will show Python 3.6 32-bit, whatever your system configuration based on. So I'm going to open Python IDLE Python GUI. So this is a Python shell. We can directly write our code here, but what is the limitation of this Python shell is you have to execute code line by line, that is instruction by instruction. You cannot run whole code in this Python shell. You have like something like that, print hello. It will instantly gives an output while you hit the enter key. But for a large coding we do not write in this way. So we require a text editor in which we can write our whole code at one time and run the total code sequentially to get the desired output. To do that, go to the file menu, new file. So this is your text editor. You can write whatever you want. So in this video we are going to learn the very basic things, that what is Python, how to get started with the Python, or why should we learn Python. The first thing of Python is a scripting language. Then what is scripting language? Scripting language is a wrapper language that integrate OS functions directly. You can directly use or you apply or modify the OS functions of your system. If you are using Windows, then you can interact with the Windows functions. If you are using Mac OS, then you can use Mac OS functions using Python. No any bridge required in between the Python script and your OS. It can directly interacts with your OS. Then what is a program? We are going to learn how to write a program. The first question is, what is a program? Program is an executable form that the computer can use directly to execute the instructions. What is a program? It's a form like structure. You are writing some line by line code, and then computer will read that code and execute that actions accordingly. Okay, so without wasting some time, we will directly go to our first program. In every language you see the first program indicates to the hello world. So let's start it with the hello world program. In Python, what is the beauty of this? It has a automatic memory allocation. It means that there is no need of declare any variation or define any variables to start a program. Like in a sorry like in other programming language, you have to declare your variables first, like integer type, float type, or string or long, whatever you need. But in Python there is no need to declare variable. It will automatically allocate the memory based on the value provided. Okay, and no need to import libraries. If you are using a core Python, that is a core programming. Like core programming means like you are doing arithmetic operations, or you are doing logical operations, or you are going to print something, then there is a no need of external libraries. So let's get started how to write a first program in Python. So I want to print hello world. Then what is the syntax? It's a very simple: print hello world. That's it. No parentheses required, no comma required, no end, no any other syntax required, or no any other format required. Just write what exactly you want. I just want to print hello world. I have written print hello world. That's it. Then save this file. You need to save this file. It is the first program. No, I think I will overwrite this. Okay, then just run. Yeah, here is my output. You can write other line also. Print that's it. Save and run. Welcome to Penguins Ideas. So this is that much easier. Okay, now I will. So this is a case sensitive language. You cannot write this as a P capital. You cannot use in caps. You have to in a small letters. So let's check if this is working in caps. Okay, save this file. It will give an error, invalid syntax. If I change this to print, save this file and run, it's working fine. Now I will remove this code. Now we will do some arithmetic operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction, or division. So no need, as I have told, there is no need to declare any variable. I will just enter a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5. So I want to add these two numbers and store into a third variable, like I can call c is equal to a plus b. I want to subtract this b from a. we can write d is equal to a minus b. I want a multiplication of these two numbers. I can write e is equal to a multiply b. Or I want to divide 10 by 5. I can write a divided by b. So these are the basic arithmetic operations. Let's print the output. Print C, print D, print E, print F. Save this program and run. That much easier. Okay, now my code is of almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, almost 10 line code. I want to reduce the lines, then I will delete this part. I can directly write here a plus b, a minus b, a multiplied by b, a divided by b. Save, run. The output is same. And line 4 5 6 within a 6 lines also. You can also write something like this in a single line: a plus b comma a minus b comma a into b comma a divided by b. This is also valid, but it will print in one line. Output is same: 15 5 52, 15 5 52. Got it? So basically today we have learned that how to start our coding in a Python. In next video we will go forward and see how to take an input from a user and how to print our output in the output window, that is a shell window, and the other operations like how to interact with OS, how to read any PDF file, how to scrap data from any websites. So stay on this our channel. Please subscribe to our channel if you not subscribed yet. Thank you.